Unlocking the secret of grandmother's recipe. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a charming and nostalgic phrase that you might have heard but not fully grasped its meaning. Grandmother's recipe. This phrase is not just about cooking. It's a journey into tradition, love, and heritage. So, grab a notebook, and let's explore the depth and warmth of this expression together. First things first, let's break down the literal meaning of grandmother's recipe. This phrase refers to a cooking recipe that has been passed down from a grandmother to her descendants. These recipes are often considered family treasures, rich in history and personal memories. They're not just instructions for preparing a dish but a link to the past and a way to keep a loved one's memory alive. Moving beyond the literal, grandmother's recipe carries significant emotional and cultural weight. It symbolizes the passing of wisdom, traditions, and family secrets from one generation to another. These recipes often come with stories of past celebrations, hardships, and the love that binds a family together. Thus, when someone refers to a grandmother's recipe, they're not just talking about the food but the stories and love that come with it. Interestingly, the phrase can also be used metaphorically to describe any knowledge or wisdom passed down through generations, not just cooking recipes. It could be a life lesson, a crafting technique, or even a way of thinking. In this sense, a grandmother's recipe becomes a symbol of inherited wisdom and cultural heritage that shapes our identity and values. In wrapping up, grandmother's recipe is a phrase rich in meaning, spanning the literal to the metaphorical. It's a celebration of family, history, and the timeless wisdom passed down through generations. We hope this exploration has not only taught you about the phrase but also warmed your heart with the love and stories it carries. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you in our next video.